Excuse me, sir. Where can I find Vaseline at?
Vaseline, you can find that over here.
So I have ordered myself a taser. There it is. And at 100 subscribers, I am going to tase myself. So feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out. And yeah, that's about it. Here comes the rest of the video. Alright, it's stopping. You coming out? Here. Whoa. Careful.
You did the same thing that I was doing.
She can't run straight. McDonald's.
Oh. You okay?
I've McFallen.
Wow. Are you okay?
Yeah. They didn't get the joke and gave me a free ice cream cone. So I'm just here editing, and I realized I forgot to tell you guys. Feel free to drop a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see next. I'm absolutely willing to try stuff, as long as it's not going to get me in legal trouble. So keep it tame, guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So we're here at Dick's Sporting Goods because, yeah, my shoes did not really survive the last vlog. I'm here to pick up some Adidas Boston 12s. Been doing research. It says they're the best. So, yeah, I got myself a $20 coupon. Let's see if it works. Peace. Oh. Where can I find the shoes at?
The what?
Shoes. That one? Thanks.
2 hours later.
You doing alright,
Do you work here? Do you know where the Adidas Boston 12s are at?
Oh, we don't have them, man. No, I don't even know where I'd send you for that. Maybe one of the, like, Foot Locker or something in the mall.
Okay.
But we definitely don't have it. The Adidas that I have is right here. And the Samba's right there. The Samba's in the Gazelle.
Okay.
That's it. What kind of shoe is it?
It's a running shoe.
A running shoe. And what is it called again?
The Boston 12s. It said you
It's a
guys have
version of
it
the
on
Boston-
your.
No, it's online, man. We never had that in store.
Is there a way I can order it here then, or?
Probably, yeah. Look it up and see if it's an Ultra Boost. I think I know what you're talking about, man.
Adidas Adizero Boston 12. Put it on your website.
Right here, man. Yeah,
Yes.
we've never had this shoe in store.
Shoe.
Show you what colors we have.
I just want the black and white.
These ones?
Oh yeah. I'd go with all black, but it seems like no shoe brand wants to make black shoes anymore.
Except most of the running shoes do. Like, or like Brooks, I know. Like, you can get almost any of their shoes in an all black. Hoka, too, actually. Those all black Hokas over there. But you want
Okay.
this one right here?
Yes.
All right, what size are you?
9.5.
And then it looks like it's still staying Tuesday through Wednesday for delivery.
That's
So you
perfect.
should be good to go, man. Anything else for you?
Nah.
Right.
You wouldn't happen to have any spare change on you, would you?
I do not actually.
Well, shoot. Here you go.
Oh, I'm okay. Thank you, though. I
Okay.
appreciate it, though.
Excuse me, sir. You wouldn't happen to have any extra change on you, would you? Well, here you go. Now you got some.
Okay, thank you.
So is the service here always this bad? I'm only getting 3 bars.
Oh, you're funny.
Did you hear about the kidnapping yesterday?
No.
Don't worry, they woke up.
Oh, you're funny.
So that's all I've got for today. Again, drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks, guys.